Liquidity ratios, working capital. Similar to the current and quick ratios, another means of assessing a company's liquidity is to compute its working capital. Working capital is the difference in amount between a company's current assets less its current liabilities. A quick analysis of LAC's balance sheet shows that its working capital was $26,000 in 20X1. We take $49,000 in current assets less its $23,000 in current liabilities, and $31,000 in 20X2. $48,000 of current assets less $17,000 in current liabilities. Working capital indicates a company's liquidity as well as its efficiency. Liquidity indicating its ability to pay its short-term debts as they come due, and efficiency indicating that it chooses to invest the excess current assets. What does working capital tell us and what does it not tell us? Working capital is widely used in finance even if, like the current and quick ratios, it is an imperfect measure of liquidity. A working capital of less than zero indicates the company could struggle paying off its current liabilities when they come due. Large working capital amounts may indicate that the company is not investing its excess current assets to generate more income. Healthy liquid companies should be able to avoid having to sell off their long-term assets such as vehicles, equipment, manufacturing plants, buildings, jumbo jets, to make their current liability payments. Because if they sell their long-term assets, they often reduce the company's ability to support operations and generate profits. For example, an airline that has to sell off its airplanes to pay its short-term creditors will have a tough time selling flights. This is probably a big reason why most airlines do not buy their planes but rather lease them. Some analysts warn that users should not focus too much on working capital because, as with the current ratio, it does not tell the whole story of a company's liquidity and related timing of cash flows. I agree, which brings up the cash conversion cycle.